Good evening, viewers. This is Deepika Lingdo bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. As Salesians, we join the call and invitation of Pope Francis for a global compact on education as a mission, as a choice, as a future. To say Salesians is to say education and evangelization of young people. Once with Don Bosco, today, like Don Bosco, renewed in the forms, in the processes, in the methodologies we need to make them live the opportunity of a new humanity. The best we can is to offer the new generations education, thinking about the future of humanity with and for the young. The official opening of the 2020-2021 academic year of the Salesian of Don Bosco pre-novitiate of the Cité des Jeunes Centre took place on 19 September with 29 pre-novices. The Mass was presided over by Father Donatien Banze Wamonga, Vicar of Central Africa Province, AFC, and concelebrated by Father Jean Pauline, head of the pre-novitiate, by the parish priest and by the rector of Cité des Jeunes. From 11th to 13th September in Kokopo, East New Britain, the parish Merry Help of Christians organized a youth camp on the theme Forming Good Christians and Upright Citizens, inspired by the Rector Major's 2020 Strena. 190 young people from the DBTSS and the Catholic communities of Palnakor, Tubera, Ramale, Malagunan, Nordub, Bitagalib and Livwan participated in the meeting. It was held at the Don Bosco Technical Secondary School, DBTSS, and led by Salesians, FMA and animators of the Salesian Youth Movement. Its aim, helping young people to know, understand and appreciate the Rector Major Strena for 2020, develop firm convictions on the need to take care of creation, to have a beautiful experience of youthful prayer, joy and solidarity with other young people, and invite them to be role models of good Christians and upright citizens in their lives. The Vocation Ministry of the Salesian Province of Campo Grande, BCG, organized the meeting of Salesian aspirants at the São Vicente Institute. The young people had the opportunity to place themselves before God with greater intensity, to stand side by side with the Salesian and to get to know community life. According to the Provincial Delegate for Youth and Vocation Ministry, Father Wagner Louis Galvao, these moments of coexistence are precious. The Salesian religious vocation is lived in the community. Therefore, the young aspirants need to do this exercise of coexistence with other aspirants in addition to what has already been done in the communities in which they are inserted. And here too, we formators can concretely monitor how their vocational journey is proceeding as well as encourage them so that they are ever more willing to go forward. September, the Salesian House in Jarabacoa in the Antilles Province ANT celebrated the priestly ordination of the Salesian Cedro Jose Ramirez Delgado, ordained by the laying on of hands and prayer consecration of Monsignor Andres Napolio Romero Cardenas, Bishop of the Diocese of Barahona. The Instituto Salesiano Napoli Vomero restarts safely after a break of more than 6 months, ready to guarantee its students a safe learning in their facilities. Speaking to the director of the institute, this is what he said. During this difficult period, we rolled up our sleeves to guarantee our kids learning safely. Our strategy, more space and less divisions. We are waiting for you to start a new school year together. As we enter the fourth week of season of creation, we have to embrace our responsibility of protecting creation. Some of the harmful chemical fertilizers may include waterway pollution, cause chemical burn to crops, increase air pollution, acidification of the soil, and mineral depletion of the soil. Protect creation around us by giving up on chemical fertilizers. This is what the director of Don Bosco Green Alliance said as he invited all of us to protect our environment. Don Bosco Green Alliance has a Facebook page under the same name. Please follow the page and know more on how to protect our environment in the spirit of Laudato Si by Pope Francis. Assam Don Bosco University is organizing a webinar on 26 September 2020 on Google Meet with the topic, Nurture the Nature for the Future. This webinar is organized to motivate the youth to be the part of this global campaign towards achieving environmental sustainability and address the need for conversion in caring for creation and ecological spirituality. For more information about this webinar, please visit the university website. On 22nd September, we celebrate the feast of 95 blessed Spanish Salesian martyrs, beatification 2001 and 2007 from 3 provinces of Madrid, Seville and Valencia, 38 Salesian priests, 25 Salesian brothers, 2 subdeacons, 20 clerics, 3 aspirants, 3 Salesian cooperators, 2 FMA, 2 lay mission partners. They comprise of 3 SDB province group who were killed in 1936, 42 martyrs of Madrid, 53 from Seville. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for watching.